Hi friends, welcome to my channel JAIIB's Guidance, and this video is the starting video of Module A of Principles and Practice of Banking. Friends, this is the topic that I am going to start today, that is Indian financial system and overview. We will see everything which is possible under this topic. However, in my subsequent videos you will get to know all these topics which are displayed in front of you under Module A. So this video is about Indian financial system and overview. Let's get started from the very basic thing. So I'm writing on the screen the topic for our discussion today, that is Indian financial system. Indian financial system. We are going to see the overview. We will see most of the things in a very small or a brief manner. Now, before I start explaining what Indian financial system is, just want to tell you that what is our financial system. Now, before that, remember that suppose there is an economy. This is an economy. And in an economy, I can divide this economy into two parts. One is the savers, those who save, and another one is the borrowers who want to borrow. So there are some sectors or segments in the economy, those who have surplus, means where their income is more than the expenditure, so they get something called in the form of savings. So they are called the savers. Now there is on the other hand some borrowers who want to take these savings so that it can be used for some productive purposes. So in our country, we have one segment which are termed as savers, and whereas on the other hand, there is one segment who are the borrowers who take money from the savers and use it in the productive forms. So these savers and the borrowers, they do not know each other, or they do not meet each other. So the fund, that is the savings, whatever is there with them, needs to be routed or channelized to the borrowers. So borrowers also have to get a contact of the savers so that they get the money from the or fund from the savers, and they may use it for their activities. Now, how can this bridge be gapped? This is done through something called financial intermediaries. So there are financial intermediaries which intermediate, who stand in between these borrowers and savers, those who have savings in their hand and those who are looking for money or fund. So they stand in between them and they mediate. They try to bridge the link between the savers and borrowers. And this process of financial intermediation, I hope you understand what is financial intermediation. That means to fill the gap between the savers and the borrowers. This process of financial intermediation is facilitated through financial system. So financial system helps the process of financial intermediation. Now what is this financial intermediation? This is the process by which the savings are mobilized through productive channels to the borrowers, and borrowers use this for their productive purposes. So that's why we can understand the importance of financial system in any economy. Now whenever the word system comes, remember system comprises of set of interrelated components. So whenever I say system, system comprises of set of interrelated components. So any system will have some related components. So when I say computer system, so we generally have certain parts like CPU, the keyboard, the mouse, the processor. So these are the components and these are interrelated. One component is related to another in some form or the other. Similarly, when we say financial system, so it comprises of set of interrelated components. Let's see what are those components very quickly. So we have at the first, we have the financial institutions. Financial system, Indian financial system comprises of certain components. So the first one is financial institutions. The second one is our financial market. Financial market. The third one is our financial, the third one is financial instruments. Financial instruments. And the last one that I can show it here, that is our financial services. These are the interrelated components of our Indian financial system. So if you have to know the overview of Indian financial system, so the cream out of this discussion is that the financial system is a set of interrelated components. It comprises of financial institutions. It comprises of financial institutions, financial markets, financial instruments, and financial services. They all act in a connected way, interconnected way. So, they facilitate the flow of fund from the savers to the borrowers. Savers known as surplus unit, borrowers known as the deficit units. So this is just the structure of overview of Indian financial system. In my next video, I will discuss the financial institutions. So in the next video, we will see the financial institutions in a detailed manner. Then we will see in our future videos about the markets, about the instruments, about the financial services. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do watch the next video that is on financial institutions, markets, instruments and services. Thank you.